There she is. There's your tutor, bud. Have a great time at tutoring. I'm gonna be dropping some stuff off to Callie and then I'll be back. Love you.
Can you get me a snack?
Are you hungry?
When you come back?
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes.
You're still hungry. Here's a granola bar, bud. Are you hungry? You want a snack, but you don't want this one? Okay, have fun. All right, good morning, friends. I am now off to go deliver some things to Callie. She slept over at a friend's house last night, and she's on her way to work to finish her interning hours for dental assisting. Oh, what a morning. Hey, baby. I'm just gonna shove that in there. All right, love you. Work hard. You look cute. You look cute. Love you. And she's off to intern. She's graduated. She can pick up her certificate when she's completed all her intern hours. So she is getting that taken care of. Yeah. So proud of her. She's doing it. Okay, now back to go get Boston. He'll be done right when I get there. Can we go back to bed? It is 8:45 in the morning. I've been doing this since 7:45, running around. Starting my morning off with a protein shake. Yum. Alright, now I have my doctor's appointment. It is a busy morning. I'd rather have a busy morning than like a busy afternoon. I'd rather get everything done in the morning. So yeah, it's just one of those days, but it's almost done. And I'll go home and we'll start our day, our summer routine. I'm gonna sit down with the little kids when I get home, the 3, talk about their chore charts and what's expected of them. We do this every year, so they need to earn their electronic time, which they do during the school year, but there's no electronics from the morning until noon, and then they need to, you know, get their zones, their chores done. They could go hang out, go play, and they get like an hour of electronic time, and then yeah, so we're gonna go, we do this every summer. We sit down, we have a family council, and we go over the rules of the summer, what's expected of them, and have fun, be a kid, but you're not sitting in front of screens the whole summer. So, all right, I'm gonna go to my doctor's appointment and see how much weight I've lost. I think I've lost 5 pounds. We'll see. Okay, I am done at the doctor's. 6 pounds down. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. I'm still nowhere where I want to be, but that's okay. I'm working on it. Yes, I'm doing things, and but I'm not going to talk about it on the vlogs anymore because I get a lot of criticism and a lot of questions that I just am not, you know, equipped to answer. So I am taking care of myself. I am focusing on me and getting the help that I need for my health, and yeah, and it's going well, but I'm not going to share any more of that on the vlogs just because of criticism, and I don't want to be anybody's doctor. So, but I'm doing very well, and yeah, 6 pounds down, still a lot to go, and that's okay. I've put on a lot of weight from my anxiety over the last like 6 months, and I'm just focusing on me and my health and getting to where I need to be. So 6 pounds, I'll take it. So I just sliced up a watermelon, half of one, and I sliced it all in one direction and then the other direction, so that way you could pull it out and you have this. Ooh, there you go. And it's easy to serve up.
Guys, try this at home.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Woohoo! The kids are having their lunch outside.
of my.
Your root beer.
Mm-hmm.
We have a lot of extra soda from the party. What are you looking for? A root beer?
Yeah.
We could be all gone. Aha!
I got the lock.
I think Mommy's gonna come work out here on that table and be out here with you guys.
Listen.
I know it's a nice day, huh?
Austin, look.
All right, the kids are chilling in the sun. I'm under the umbrella, working and eating my lunch. So I have celery and ranch, watermelon and strawberries. I'm not that hungry. I'm still full from my shake this morning. It fills me up really good. So yeah, so we're just chilling outside. Feels so good. Look who decided to join me. Yay!
Who wanted the shake?
You wanted the shade? Too much sun over there?
Yeah, too much.
Nice! Shady is having a ton of watermelon. And we have Jonah who joined us. He's making plans with friends. And I won't see him for the rest of the day. He's like, yep.
Mine is so pretty with those glasses.
Oh, why thank you, Shaylee. We just had our chat about the summer and our expectations and what they're supposed to do. So we got that out of the way and now we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna work. We're gonna chill. It's so nice out. Oh, the heat's coming though. The heat is gonna come.
That was just lucky.
But in the meantime, we're gonna enjoy the weather.
I'm stuffed.
You're stuffed? Good. That's a good thing.
Let's go. We're here. Your camp. Let's go. Let's find a bodywood. Here it is. We are here, girls. I'm sleeping right here. I'm sleeping right here. I will sleep in the middle because I like this bed. Put this right here. We should call them the girls. Okay. Let's go. Knock, knock. Oh, I'm coming here.
Well, Jonah and I are going for a stroll. He said he would help Mom with walking. He's a good motivator, so. And it gives us a chance to catch up and talk. We like that. So, I enjoy walking, so I'm gonna keep doing this. I mean, hey, 6.4 pounds in a couple of weeks, 2 weeks. Just gonna keep walking. It's nice out today though. I'm not ready for it to get blazing hot, but it's nice today. Good. Oh yes, first day of summer, Mom's run away. And we get drinks.
God, the first of many.
Yes. Denise was just showing me her new lotion from Bath and Body Works, and it is yummy.
Delicious.
Blackberry and basil. So I need to go and get me some of that.
That's delightful.
Ugh. Yeah.
You know, it's sweater weather coming up, you know, guys.
We're preparing for the fall. This is what we do in the summer.
You gotta prepare yourself. All right, wait. Gotta work on that body.
Yeah. So good. It's so refreshing. Okay, we are having dinner. We already scarfed down our fried chicken, and now we're having corn on the cob, huh? Get it in your teeth? So we are having corn on the cob, fried chicken, and the leftover watermelon for dinner.
Hey guys, you want to look at me?
Is that good? Mmm. One other way we like to eat it is with sour cream. So good. What's wrong?
I hate this noise. You changed it.
Dolly introduced me to people eating and making ASMR noises, and it is annoying, but yet you can't turn away. It's like a bad car accident. But I can't look away. I'm like, I can't even tell you how many I watched today. Oh my gosh. Hi, Jonah.
Bubster!
Are you hungry?
50-50. Do I have like a splat on my face? A bug?
What's the matter, Jonah?
He's nasty.
Callie, turn it off! Shaylee hates it with a passion. She got so mad. So mad. Oh, anyway. Well, guys, I hope you just enjoyed my relaxing day today. I just did my thing, didn't put on makeup. It was a busy day, and now I'm gonna chill here with my girl.
Which one?
Accidentally took a picture.
Thanks. So I'm gonna chill with the kids, and Derek's almost home, so we'll feed him dinner and chill. So thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you later. Bye.